So let's discuss those 5 stocks because they're squeezing before, been talked about a lot in Reddit, and at the moment they jumping again. Where the profit taken, where the other squeeze will happen, and how much gain we could make for those stocks. So let's get right to it and dive right in and start our video with this stock. Ticker symbol is FFIE. If we go on the short squeeze stocks, we can see that GameStop, of course, first. However, we have so many stocks that been talked about on Reddit, and one of them is BBIG. We already talked about it, and the other one we're gonna discuss in this video, SIGA and the VTNR. Let's discuss first FFIE, because last time we talked about, we said we broke this ascending channel, and this is a signal for a breakout here that happened around the 1st of July, and it was a good trade the moment that we broke the $3.88 and give us confirmation for bullish momentum, and that's why the price is still holding the $3.88. We're gonna see a jump. We already talked about here on Picture, because we do always alert and update pre-market for a lot of stocks before the market opens, so you be ready to take a profit. So what we suggest, last time we talked about FFIE, if we held above the $3.88, we're gonna see another jump, and it happened today. So what we should expect, where we're gonna go, of course, the $7.66. This is the most important resistance for FFIE to confirm the price continuation and going higher again around the $9.50 before the $10. So we're gonna confirm another squeeze around the $7.66, and because we might see a resistance here and rejection, and the short will come and the price will go down around this area, the $5.70. If we held, we're gonna continue around the 9. The next one we have ATER. A lot of people talk about ATER, and they said the big mover and the big squeeze will happen for ATER, because it's been talked about before on Reddit, and even now we can see it that it's coming back. If we go on this list, we can see that ATER here in the 7th place, where a lot of Redditors talking about for potential squeeze on the short squeeze play, and we see that ATER still holding this ascending line that we talked about, now 5% up, and because we tested this ascending line, you see we just tested and the price jump around the $2.14. We have just one resistance left to confirm at least a big buying pressure happening to take us until the 4, which is the $3.08, and still the support is above this ascending line, which is above the $2. And as we said, the market is kind of recovering. If we go to undervalued stock, you can see Apple going 2% up. We have AMD as well, and Nvidia and Google as well going 3% up, nearing the resistance. So this will be a nice or interesting turning point for Google, and even for the SPY, you can see it is recovering and getting near the 400. So as we said, the 400 mark for the SPY, or the 405, will mark price reversal and entering a bullish trend on this circle. For Google as well, if you see it here, we have a turning point around this level. If we overcome it, we see Google go at least for the 2,670. If you want to load up on Google, there's opportunity here on MOMO with my exclusive link in comment section below. You can get free share of Google. You have 36 hours left to get your free share of Google as well. There's a summer exclusive. You can get up to 10 free stocks. You can get Fusel Energy, AMC, DKNG, Apple, Tesla, and Google as well. And you have until the end of this month in order to get this offer, because it's limited time offer. And how you can get it is simple. You open an account first, then you deposit $100 in order to get $8 to $2,500 worth of stock. So use this opportunity and get your free share of Google with my link in comment section below, or notification will pop up here, will take you directly to open your account on MOMO. So if we go back and discuss the other squeeze stocks that we're going to talk about today, the next stock we're going to talk about is EVFM. As you can see here from the chart, we held above the $1. That's why we ignite the day and the day before. At the moment, we testing the $1.51. As we said, we're going to do double top around this level. That's why I see a red candle forming at the moment. So what we should expect, The $1.51 is the squeeze area. If we overcome it, we're gonna have another jump toward the $2.17. If we see how much we did from the last jump from the 0.30 cents, because we started squeezing since then to 24th of June, and we jumped almost 300 or 400%, then the price went down, and the initiation for the second squeeze when we held above the $1 around the 5th of July, and you see we did almost 47%. So we expect another 40% we can make if we overcome the $1.51. So just be careful from this level, and again, the $1 is still our support to confirm. There is no sell-off, and the ball is still there, and the price will continue to go toward the $2.17. The next one we have a VTNR. This been heavily talked about in Reddit as well. We see that it's been testing an important resistance around the 11.32. So for this one, if we gonna see a squeeze, because a lot of people talk about it, is gonna have a major squeeze. As you can look here, from the $3 since the beginning of January, we have a massive run up until June. Imagine, from the $3 until the 17, we have a good run up for this stock, and this is crazy, almost 440. Okay, so now we want to confirm that the bullish trend is still there. We want to overcome the $11.30, closing above to continue toward the 15. Otherwise, I will be ready to load up on this interesting support above the $7 or $8 here. This should be an interesting support. If we held this support for VTNR, we're gonna have a nice trade, because the price will go up around the $9. We take the first profit taken, then again around the $10 or $11. Next one we have SIGA, and this one is really interesting as well, because if you go in big picture, you see we're still trending in this big bullish trend channel, and if we want to confirm that we'll continue to go to all-time high for this year above the 15, we need to hold the $9.64, and breaking this channel from above, this will confirm that the bullish trend or squeeze will continue for this year around the 20. Lastly, we have AGRX. This one bottomed down around the $1, I believe, no, 0.73. So this one I will be extra careful, because you see it how much the price is went down, and lately we have if you can see here, we have reverse split 1 to 40. So this is crazy reverse split. That's why the price went up around the $2.70. You see we have a crazy price after the reverse split around the 27th of April. The price continued to go down, but we have the squeeze here around the 23rd of June. The price went until the $3. So we have one level left to confirm that we're gonna have another jump, is the $1.04. If we get rejected, it means the price is not ready to squeeze and go down. So the $1 should be interesting price to overcome and enter for this stock. Hopefully that was informative. If you have any question, let me know in comment section below. Press the like button and notifications so you never miss any of my future update, because we do daily update here on our channel. So see you in the next video.